Hello, I'm Lois Reed. I'd like to welcome you to Waterbury Park at Lakewood Ranch by Neal Signature Homes. Today we're going to tour our beautiful new Seaside 2 model, 3,783 square feet of living. It features 4 bedrooms, 4 baths, and a 3-car garage. Let's get started. After you enter the double iron doors, you can see how stately this plan is. You have an elegant formal dining room to one side. You have great attention to detail in the coffered ceiling above the gallery area. The gallery area separates the entryway from the living space of the home. The great room area is quite large, yet still very cozy, and merges well with the breakfast area, as well as the kitchen, to create a wonderful space for family gatherings and entertaining. Our buyers absolutely love this gorgeous gourmet kitchen, which they can personalize with our design professionals. This model shows a 14-foot island, cabinet dishwasher drawers, a built-in microwave, and a host of other upgraded appliances throughout. Look at all of this attention to detail. And what do we have here? A secret door, and it leads to a scullery, which can also be a storage area or a butler pantry, whatever your heart desires. From the great room, you can access a gorgeous outdoor living area. You have a dining area, a seating gathering space, a beautiful outdoor kitchen, and a stunning pool designed by Waterscapes. We're in the back corner of the home in a very spacious club room. Here we're showing it with double wine coolers and a wet bar. However, this space can be used for anything that you would like that suits your family and your needs. It can be a billiards room, a craft hobby room, or a 4th bedroom. Behind these French doors, your large private study awaits you. As we enter the primary retreat, we have a spa-like bathroom with double vanities, a beautiful step-in shower, and a soaking tub for total relaxation. As we continue into the primary bedroom, we have 2 large walk-in closets. Wow, look at this massive primary bedroom with soaring 12-foot ceilings, all overlooking an outdoor private seating area. The Seaside 2 is a split floor plan with 2 guest suites on one side of the home. The laundry room is large enough for a utility sink and plenty of storage. Now that our tour is complete, I'd like to thank you for spending time with me today and allowing me to show you the luxury of living well at Neal Signature Homes. I look forward to seeing you soon.